Hi guys! Today we're going to make garlic longganisa. So are you ready? Okay, let's get started! There are different versions of garlic longganisa and this is the easy version. This is skinless but it's delicious and flavorful. Spread the meat just like this. It helps to flavor the meat quickly and easily. That's one tip for you. You may add more ground pepper if you like. You may also add more sugar if you like it much sweeter. Garlic is the star of the show. Do not overmix to avoid a very dense longganisa. Mix well to combine, making sure that the annatto powder is mixed evenly with the meat. Cover and store in the refrigerator overnight. To shape the longganisa, I use an ice cream scooper to keep the size uniform. I used olive oil so it wouldn't stick much. I'm using a 1 tablespoon ice cream scooper. You may use a bigger scoop if you like. Shape the longganisa using your hands or a dough cutter. Make sure that the ground meat that you choose is a 10% fat or more. The higher the fat content, the softer the sausage would be. You may choose ground pork, ground chicken, or ground turkey. This one I'm using is ground chicken. Shape them just like this. These ones are not perfect in shape. That's okay because they are homemade. For pan frying on medium-low heat, pour 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm using a non-stick pan. Let's use the air fryer also. I like putting aluminum foil and parchment paper for easy cleanup. It gives the same cooking results. Arrange the longganisa, making sure that they don't touch each other. Then add some olive oil. Air fry at 250 degrees for 15 minutes, then adjust the temperature to 300 degrees and cook for another 5 minutes. Please note that different air fryers may cook the meat differently, so experiment or check the factory settings or the factory recommended settings. This pan-fried longganisa will cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning them a few times in between frying until the desired browning is achieved. Keeping the pan covered while cooking will make sure that the meat is cooked. Another option is pan frying the longganisa first, then add about 1/4 cup of water, then let the water boil and evaporate, then continue to fry the longganisa until the desired browning is achieved. You may also fold each mixture in a wax paper or parchment paper to form the sausage. If you have leftover mixture, you may store them in the freezer and they freeze really well. Watch them very carefully to avoid burning. This is almost done. Yay! They are done. Another way is to add chopped green onions. And I find that the ones with green onions taste more delicious. And shape them the same way. And you may choose to pan fry or air fry the longanisa. It's all up to you. We are done! Yay! We just made homemade longanisa. I am so excited and hungry. Okay, now we're ready to eat. We finished this longanisa, which is also called Filipino sausage, and this one is no casing, but the flavor is wonderful. Garlic longanisa. All right, let's do the taste test. Let's see how it is. Look at my plate. Look how beautiful it is. Really nice. So we have here the air fried ones, also the pan fried, and the other one we added green onions. Okay, the one with the green onions, air fried and pan fried. And we have here cucumber and tomatoes. Plus, we have the egg fried rice. It goes with it. This is the ultimate Filipino breakfast with this egg. All right, beautiful. And get some rice too. Oh, it smells so good, you wouldn't believe it, you know. That's the magic of garlic. And we have a dipping sauce. Actually, we have vinegar. You can make it spicy or just regular. All right, let's do it. Let me try the one with green onions and dip it. So good with fried rice. Heavenly. Now we have our egg that goes with it. Yeah, this is the ultimate Filipino breakfast. Longganisa, rice, and longganisa, we call it long silog. Yeah, that's the term we use. Now let's try the air fried. Dip it in suka. Suka means vinegar. The air fried is less fatty, but it has some kind of crunch on the outside. They're all nice and moist. Yeah, this is the one with green onion. I really like it. Wow, that was so good. I feel so happy eating this. So now we learned how to make garlic longganisa. Not complicated, very easy to make. All right, you guys take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't forget to hug your loved ones, and big hug for you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. Bye now. Paalam.